So far one has completed and one is remaining. So this one has completed and one is remaining, and bas, it has also completed. So if I select this, set as featured image, then this is the price. So discount price. So details, I copy this. It is already copied within. So I copy this, Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, then paste this, then okay, these are the images that we are supposed to use for the photo slide creation as we follow along. So okay, then category, these are what? Not music, reggae, music, photos, Uganda, jazz, instrumental, gossip, freestyle, dance, blues. Oops. So okay, uncategorized. So we go with uncategorized. Okay, so we go with uncategorized. Then we come here down, tags. So I type in slide show photos. Okay, yeah, scripts. Script, then scripts, life, scripts. So with the help of tags, I want it to rank. So tags help in the ranking of something. Okay, photo slide for then photos. Then at least we have that. Okay, so if I get this, I put it as my description. This, so this had to be this. These are the images that we are supposed to use for the photo slide creation as we follow along. The videos on the MUCIAN scripts lifestyle channel. So my description is basically done. Then create new product. So I had to click this. Stop. I had to click this create product, not create no product, create product. So the moment we click this, so it gets us to continue. So this is a downloadable product and it is also a visual product. So ignore this, it will automatically create that. Okay. I think the link is already created. So we come here, we can decide to add on the product on the tags. Okay, then we come there, allow only one quantity of this product to be bought in a single order. So yes, because we have no any variations in them. So then okay, this is not music, so we ignore these. Then we continue and slope down. We ignore the other part, it isn't music. Then add, where you see downloadable options, so we add the file. So when we click this, we go here and choose the file. So the files we want to upload are here. So we go back, we upload the other zipped file. Okay, so it was in downloads, this one, so we upload it. So that is our file, and we leave it to do what? To upload. Okay, so I'm going to first stop here. So when it finishes uploading, then that is when I'm going to be coming back, then I show you maybe the other steps to be done. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't give up. Let us continue up to the last video. So you may use this method, okay, when you have anything that you want to offer to the public to buy, okay, or to sell on this platform, and you get your own money. I already made different videos on how to use this platform and be making some money. So endeavor to see that you join this channel and always get updated with advices from people who are earning online. Okay, so thanks for watching. Let us continue from here after the video uploading, because this the folder uploading, this has to load up to this side. So my internet, according to where I am as I record this video, it may take some minutes. So let me cut this video short, then we shall be picking up from there.